liked when we were talking earlier on the other slide about finding activities
Yes.
that you can share together.
Sharing life.
And what happens with couples is we get busy in our own worlds and forget that actually research shows that if you can have 5 things, the magic number that you enjoy doing together, then you're going to have a stronger relationship.
Right.
And so, and I've seen couples do everything from collect blue glass to take, classes to go kayaking, whatever it is that they love to do. Maybe they want to learn how to cook Vietnamese food together. I don't know. But doing things together and sharing
The trick is togetherness, but it's also newness.
new things.
Dopamine, that connection in the brain, comes from novel experiences, new experiences, things you haven't done before. And so the two of you need to find a way to explore the world together. In doing something, it doesn't matter what it is, but, well, I guess it does matter in a sense, because the more emotionally charged the couple activity is, the more dopamine you produce. Anything you do together is good, but the more emotionally charged it is.
So we should go rock climbing?
If you're hanging by your fingertips 300 feet above the ground, yeah, I suspect there's a lot of emotional charge in that. Yeah. Unfortunately, with the average American, it's also going to get them killed.
Well,
so let's not do that.
Even adventure and going on different walks and hikes and exploring new towns, get on a ferry boat, go out to some of our beautiful islands, explore new places.
Yes. Beauty, adventure, newness, excitement, whatever floats your boat, whatever you find exciting as individuals, as couples, share it with your mate. The more of those things you can do, the more dopamine you build in your brain, the better relationship you end up with over the long haul.
Absolutely.
Which is really kind of
less
neat.
people in my office, too.
Are you sure you want to do that? We want to keep you fed.
I like to see
you're
healthy
skinny,
couples.
but let's keep you fed.